Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, what is the value of x? Given that x does not equal to 0, we are given 5 to the power of x times 25 to the power of x equals 25 equals 75. Now let's have 25 in base 5 as now when you also have a to the power of m to the power of n equals as a to the power of m times n. So when you apply it here, we are going to have it to be 75. Now, when you have a to the power of m times a to the power of n equals a to the power of m plus n. So when you also apply it here, we're going to have so we have this to be 5. X plus 2x will give us 3x equals 75. Now, let us now introduce log to both sides of this expression. So we're going to have log So when you have log a to the power of m equals m multiplied by log a. So from here we're going to have now divide through by the coefficient of 3x, which is log 5. So this will cancel out this. We have so now we can have 3x 75 as 5 times 15 over log 5. Then when you have log a times b equals log a plus log b. So from here we have 3x over log 5, divide through by log 5 from here. Now we have 3x log 5 divided by log 5 will be 1. 15 also, we can have it as 15 as 5 times 3. So here will also be 3x now we have 3x so from here we have this divided by this will also be 1 plus 1. Now, so we have this. Now, so we have now 3x to be 2 now when we have log equals log a in base b, so here will now be 3x now dividing through by 3. So we have x 2 plus log 3 in base 5 over 3. And this is the final answer for the value of x. So now to check, recall we are given 5 to the power of x times 25 to the power of x equals 75. Now when I say equals this, now let's simplify this as 5 so we simplify this to be equals this. 5 to the power of 2 will give us 25, and then we have x here, that's why we have 2x. Then from here we have it to be 5 to the power of 3x equals 75. Then let's substitute the value of x here, that we have to be equals this. So here will now be equals then it's going to give us 75. So this 3, we eliminate this 3. 5 to the power of 2. Then we have log 3 in base 5. So going to give us 75. From here we have to recall a to the power of m plus n equals a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So we have from here 5 to the power of 2 times 5 to the power of log 3 in base 5. It's going to give us 75. Now, 5 to the power of 2 is 25 times this and this, they have the same base. The output will be 3, which equals 75. So 75 equals 75.